Hey guys, welcome back to another mini vlog. Just a quick one. We're on as way out to Hobby Lobby because Tina's got a little Hobbycraft. Okay.
We're not in Florida yet.
I wish. Yeah, so we've got to Hobbycraft because Tina's doing a little project while I'm doing a little project as well.
I'm going to attempt to make a dead cat for the Canon camera because the prices online are like just stupid, so I thought I'm going to make one instead. So we're going to walk the puppy, then we're going to go to Hobbycraft in Preston.
Yeah, Preston.
But last night, I just want to say we had an awesome night, not me and Baz. I took the old mother out. We went to see Dick and Angel Strawbridge. They were doing a tour, Dare to Do It tour, so I took the old mother out for a night out, and we got to meet them at the end, and I got that signed to my absolutely gorgeous fan. There you go. And then they signed that, and then we got a picture as well, so we'll insert the picture here. And we met them because if you email Angel, she always replies, so we planned on meeting them at the end.
They're a nice couple.
I'm going to brush the wig, even though it's windy. We've now got Storm Jorge, or whatever it's called.
It's beginning with a J.
Yeah, so this is why I'm going to make a dead cat, because I'm thinking we can't really take this outside at the minute because it just, you know, so much wind here.
Yeah, we've had 4 storms consecutive, you know, just one after another, and
well, this
it's
is
getting silly. Yeah, 6 now.
Yeah.
It's just getting silly.
One after another after another. So this is why I'm going to do the dead cat.
Yeah. And once it's done, we'll give you a demonstration of what it does.
Yeah.
And just about how it works and things.
But for now, we'll go and walk the puppy.
Yeah.
On a very windy promenade.
It's going to be great.
Yeah.
You coming with us? Come. Guys, well, we're in the car heading to Preston, and the wind is just barreling us about, isn't it?
The wind is
not good. We are in Tina's car. There she is. Hello.
I've got hair like a badger's arse once again because of the wind.
Yep. But yeah, it's not good driving up motorway.
No, it is really, really windy. Feel it moving in the car.
Yeah, it's just wrong, so wrong.
We're just coming up to important services, what everyone calls, is it like the spaceship?
Yeah.
Because of the tower there.
As you can see, right there.
It always reminds me of the thing at Men in Black.
Need a little finger action, just there.
Oh, we have got something exciting to say though.
We do.
We have just subscribed, well not, we've just bought the Disney Plus pack.
Yeah.
For the telly. There's an offer, 50 quid for a year.
Yep, which is pretty cool.
We get that in March when it comes out.
So you get £10 off if you buy the offer.
And then I went through Top Cashback, so I'm hoping to get something back from it.
Yeah. With us being Disney fans and stuff like that, we thought, yeah, why not? Let's have it. Well, yeah, back on the old motorway. Woohoo! So we'll see you guys in a moment.
So we are at Hobbycraft and we like to come here because you can take your duckies in. Yay. Which is fantastic. You are. Thank you. You got these are needles. Oh, what's this here?
Hook and loop tape.
You know that's not as. I want black though. What's this one? That should do, shouldn't it? That's the one. Nope. They're cute as well.
Yeah, little dots.
Yeah. No, we'll get this.
Yeah.
Cookie? We'll get this.
Shall we get that?
Yeah.
Let's get that. Oh, she looked at the camera.
She is.
Right, we need some stuff, don't we?
I have got that from that old key ring. If you want to paint your own bags.
I'll buy your own paint.
Oh. Art trolley. I always think of hoofs with fabric. Toy Stories. There's one for hoofs. Dumbo.
That's cute.
Material galore. And more material. This is for Mike.
And me.
Yeah.
I like that fabric.
That
I
one.
like the arting as well. And that one. That's cool.
That's a nice one. What that's made out of.
Yeah, I think that's that, isn't it?
Is that, oh yeah, that is that one. So machines. Shall we look downstairs? Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
I'll come down to Tina's level.
Yeah.
She's only tiny.
We're just here at Barton Grange. The Flower Bowl, the cinema we usually go to is just there. But we're still going to It's still windy. Baz is going to give Cookie a little walk. Yeah, we'll get home.
She's been windy.
Yes. So we're going to go get some pies.
Yeah. So we see you soon.
Puppy!
So what you got me? What you got me? What you got, Rob?
Right done? Come on. I've got the pies.
Hey.
Pies are in the bag.
Pies in the bag.
We are back home. The storm has finally kicked in. Baz is waiting to watch Disney videos. Well, vlogs on Star Wars. Surprise, surprise. We've got Star Wars bits here. Anyway. Oh, keep watching because he's doing a tutorial, aren't you, on...
Yeah, it's restoring a vintage ATAT.
Which is there.
Yeah, I've just given it a quick clean with some soap and water, but it really needs sorting out because there's some of it that's been tarnished by the sun, so I get that sorted.
Yep, so keep an eye out because he is vlogging it as he's doing it. So I'm going to make what they call a dead cat for the microphone on the Canon because it's just so windy here all the time. So what I'm going to do is, so this is the microphone here. So I'm going to use Velcro to do like the frame around it. Attach Velcro to, this is just a key ring from the pound shop. I'll just cut it open, so I'll use that. And I've got what they call tick tape. Me or Baz do not use tick tape, by the way. He got it when he bought, was it something fancy dress or wig or something for Halloween? But it's really strong, so I'm going to use that to attach all this together because I want to be able to pull it off. I don't want to glue it, and I don't want this on all the time, so Watch me now as I try and do it. So wish me luck. Here is a finished product. Not too shabby. But the proof is in the pudding, so I need to go outside and test it.
Dun, dun, dun.
And it's absolutely howling and raining.
Right.
Oh well.
If that don't test it, nothing will.
Nope.
Focus. Right guys, so that were a little vlog on how to make a dead cat.
Meow. Meow. I don't like calling it a dead cat, but that's what it is called.
Yeah, basically it's just a microphone muffler thing. But in camera world it's called a dead cat for some reason.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Weird. But yeah, that was a quick video. I'm going to be uploading the ATAT vlog very soon, hopefully, if this weather ever packs it in. It's just we hope you like the footage. We have done before and after for you, so as you can tell the difference in it. So yeah, with that we'll say goodbye, and thanks to everybody out there who's already subscribed. Love you guys. To the people who haven't subscribed, you can do it. It's just a simple click. Hit that thumbs up, because it lets us know that you care about us, and hit the bell, because then you'll get notified when we upload. And be good to each other out there. That's the most important part. Right, so we'll see you in the next vlog, guys. Be good. Bye.